This is a railway cross. Don't touch the brake. Get off the brake.
Okay.
Just turn your head. Look both ways. All right. That's a deadly mistake. Okay.
Okay.
It's only if the lights are flashing and the gates are coming down, then of course you have to stop. But
Okay.
when you see a railway crossing, when you get close, just back off the gas pedal, let the car slow down a little bit, and then you roll over the tracks and then you speed up again.
Okay.
But never you brake, especially braking on the actual tracks, because immediately your car could go out of control to the right or left.
Okay.
So you're supposed to roll over the railway tracks. Don't brake on the tracks.
Okay.
That's very dangerous. So as you go along, I'll be pointing out these things to you, and then eventually you'll be able to do it all by yourself. Then I know that you're learning. Okay?